Welcome to the Biomedical Instrumentation channel. Here, we dive deep into the fascinating world of biomedical devices that are revolutionizing healthcare. From advanced imaging systems like MRI and CT scans to cutting-edge wearable technology that monitors vital signs in real time, every innovation plays a crucial role in patient care. We explore the principles behind these instruments, such as signal processing, biocompatibility, and the integration of software and hardware. Understanding these concepts is essential for any aspiring biomedical engineer. We'll also discuss the latest trends in telemedicine and how remote monitoring is reshaping patient interactions. By grasping these technologies, you'll be equipped to contribute to the future of medicine. Join me as we uncover the science and engineering that make these life-saving devices possible. Embark on a journey of mastery with our expert-led discussions, guiding you through biomedical instrumentation mastery and offering valuable strategies to navigate this dynamic field. Stay ahead of the curve with Biomedical Instrumentation Strategies, where we share insider tips, techniques, and pro insights on mastering the art of controlling medical instrumentation. Elevate your understanding of safety and compliance through our in-depth exploration of medical instrumentation regulations. Join us as we demystify the realm of biomedical instrumentation, providing you with a rich tapestry of knowledge and fostering a community dedicated to pushing the boundaries of innovation. Subscribe now for an immersive experience into the world of biomedical instrumentation.